guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Julian. For today's video, we're gonna be cooking my own version of carbonara. So, at 12 midnight birthday kasi ng partner ko. So, I'm cooking carbonara right now. First, I'm gonna be sauteing the chicken breast that I bought. And then, I'm also slicing the mushrooms. And I'm also gonna put on some eggs. And then the cheese, the cream will come later. So we're gonna cook this first. We're gonna saute it until it's cooked already. I'm gonna use this pasta. This is the spaghetti. Ay, alam niyo na, coronavirus, guys. So there's no other pasta here. Local grocery. This is what I'm gonna use as a creamer. And then wala tayong parmesan, so I'm gonna use this Eden cheese right here. Put on water and then salt in the pot. We're gonna wait for it to boil and then put on the pasta. Now we're gonna season the chicken with some salt and put so what we're gonna do is crack these 2 eggs, skip, and we're gonna grate the cheese. Now we're gonna add the mushroom, and we're just gonna stir it for a few minutes, and then we're gonna get a new pot. Guys, it's boiling, so we're gonna cut this in half and then put it on the pot. Cook. So we're gonna wait around 15 to 30 minutes to cook the pasta. So now we're gonna put on the cream, all-purpose cream on the egg and then the cheese. Just make sure that walang natitira. Make sure that all or everything has been squeezed out from the box, and we're gonna mix it. So don't forget to stir your spaghetti since the water is defeated from this spaghetti or pasta. We're gonna put on water until it's cooked. What we're gonna do now is strain it. I'm gonna strain it. Make sure now you're gonna strain it well. There's no water or whatsoever. And then we're gonna leave it for a few minutes to strain itself. Lalagay natin ulit dun sa pot. We're gonna strain it right there. We're just gonna put it in a minute or two. Let it strain on its own because there's still water. I went and get a new pot and we're gonna make the sauce of the pasta or the carbonara. We're gonna put on a little oil, just a little. We're gonna put on the mushroom and chicken. We're gonna put on the mixture of egg, cheese, and then the all-purpose cream. We're gonna put on the grated cheese. Now we're gonna put on a cup of mineral water. Then stir it and wait for it to boil. Now we're gonna put on a little bit of salt. And then we're just gonna wait for it to boil and then taste it again. It really depends on how you cook it, but this is how I do it. While waiting, we should wash all of the things that we have used for this cooking session. So we're gonna wait for it to boil. So maghuhugas muna ako ng aking mga basura. So guys, I'm done washing all the things I've used for this carbonara cooking show. Charat. Anyways, we're done. So we're gonna taste it if it's good or not. So let's go ahead. First, syempre kukuha tayo ng pasta. I'm gonna get some pasta. Syempre konti lang. Just a little. Now we're gonna go and get some sauce. Okay, so this is the sauce. This is what it looks like or supposed to be. Just gonna get a little bit and put it here. Okay, so let's try and mix it. Okay, so we're tasting it now. Tapos ko na siyang i-mix. We're gonna test it if it's good or not. It's okay, it's very creamy. I haven't done this for a year. So let's eat, guys. Guys, maliligo muna ako. Maliligo muna ako sushi. Syempre, ligo-ligo din. Araw-araw ng ligo. Guys, ipapatesting natin kay Jans yung pasa. Baby! Baby! Nakabihis ka na? Okay, open the door. Knock, knock. Pasukin mo ako. Okay. Testing. Taste testing. Or whatever. Ayan. Wait lang, usok ka dun. Putol yung ulo mo eh. Test. Ang lasa?
Top.
Ayan. So, maya-maya birthday niya. There's just 46 minutes. Ayan.
Yung video mo pala?
Oo. Okay, you guys. So, we decided just to cook carbonara for my partner's birthday because, you know, there's a COVID-19. Then, I hope na most of you are not down because hindi kayo makalabas kahit birthday nyo or you can't celebrate. You can have some simple celebration of your own, like cook for yourself, or maybe pag natapos na yung COVID, you can go out and then spend it with your friends or with your family. But please don't feel down. There's so many people hating and there's a lot of tension in the country, not just here but on other country.
Yes.
Pero I hope that you stay safe, guys, sushies. I hope that you stay safe, and then please practice social distancing, and then always wash your hands. Also, maligo araw-araw. Charot. Kahit di maligo araw-araw. Basta malinis, guys. And then, I hope that you always stay safe. And then, ano pa ba? I hope sa lahat ng magbo-birthday, like, sa mga nag-birthday ng March, like my friend, she couldn't celebrate this with us when we were planning na to go on a mukbang with her 10 favorite food and put it on my YouTube channel, but we couldn't because of the COVID. Pero I hope that you guys are safe, and sana wala magkasakit sa inyo, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this cooking show. Prep time for my partner, so we're just waiting for 12 o'clock. Then we're gonna eat with his brother and my grandmother, and yun lang. Sana huwag kayong ma-down kasi natamaan yung birthday nyo. You can still celebrate it in different ways. You can learn a lot of things on being on lockdown. Sana hindi kayo nada-down. I know nabuburyong na kayo and whatsoever. And ito pala, I've been receiving some bashing and hateful comments on one of my videos in my Facebook page. I hope na sana hindi kayo ganon, na you're gonna comment on how fat I am, na parang tanga, nagsasayaw, and I'm not helping my grandmother. First of all, guys, tinutulungan ko yung lola ko. That's why I'm living here on the province. Imbis na nasa US na ako or nasa ibang lugar na ako, I'm living here because I want to help my lola, and then I want to be with her. And I always also clean the house. So yun lang. I feel so, what do you call this? I felt down nung nakita ko yung mga comments na yun, but then I've taken them down. I deleted them. I don't like negativity on my Facebook page. Kaya sana wag kayong ganun, guys. Wag kayong mag-fat shaming or whatsoever. Because kanya-kanyang trip yan, especially sa TikTok or what. But please don't send any hate to anyone. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isang tao in behind those scenes or whatever you see. Kasi sometimes we can filter out what we want you to see. Okay? Anyways, guys, enjoy. Konting araw na lang. Sana. I hope na konting araw na lang. And, what do you call this? Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa mga followers ko, sa mga subscribers ko na still sumusupport, and some people checking on me. If I'm alright, I'm alright, guys. Healthy naman. So far, wala pa namang case dito sa town namin. And I'm thankful for that. Pero, let's just pray, guys, that this ends. I hope that you pray too after this, and I hope that you, what do you call this? You don't hate on each other for being pro or anti-Duterte. Ano ba ba? Hindi kita kasi, because there's a lot of hate on Facebook, Twitter. All I see is hate sometimes. So, pag inutusan lang ako ng employer ko na, or not really, when there's a, what do you call this, marketing task that I need to do, that's when I go on Facebook, online. But if I don't have anything, I just work, I just watch and then play, or what do you call this? Mostly I do right now is market research, of course, because of my job right now. So, and sorry if I'm not having some makeup content kasi nabablock yung utak ko because of the COVID-19. I've been affected on the hate, on the tension on Facebook. There's a lot of people fighting and whatsoever, but I hope that you, when you voice out your opinion, guys, you don't belittle anyone. You don't say anything under the belt or below the belt for being like that or saying anything. I hope you say it in a very educated manner. And yun lang. Sige, tapusin na natin because this is taking so long kaysa dun sa pagluluto. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it until the end, sushies. And, what do you call this? I hope that you subscribe on this YouTube channel. Please, click the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. And follow me on my social media accounts. I'll be listing them down below too. And I hope that I see you on the next video. Bye!